Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this witch's outfit. I've already done her makeup, so let's head on to the nails. We're going to use the body nails, which is here, put on, and I'm just going to color it the darker red. I don't know if I should add bangs or not, we'll see later. But we're going to go to the VIP section. You can use the other hats if you'd like to, but this actually goes on to be black when you color it, so do that. And we're going to also color this crown from the code black. You can color everything black if you'd like to, or you can add in a touch of green on the second toggle like so, but I'm just going to keep it this color. Then you are going to just dress up however you like. I might add in some like bangs here. I'm just going to head on to this area, and I like to use this one, color it black, and to make it less boring, maybe add like something else, maybe like this, or like a cat maybe. It's up to you, and just like add some shoes and just be creative own way. Obviously this isn't creative enough, but this is all I have time for. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.